Welcome, Ravindra. Thank you for joining us today. So tell us about Stitch Fix.
Thank you, Varun. Stitch Fix, we are into personalized styling and fashion. We've been a company, a 10-year-old company. I am the director of IT at Stitch Fix, and I've been with the company about 5 years.
And tell us a little bit more about your role at Stitch Fix and what's important for you.
My role at Stitch Fix is I'm the director of IT, and one of the important things for us is like how we treat our customers, where the customer experience is important. We value in IT employee experience equally important, because as the employee experience improves, that directly has an impact on how we grow the company, how we treat our customers, and it has like a across the board impact. And so employee experience is very critical in the success of our roles.
So Ravindra, at Stitch Fix, you're not new to AI and automation. You leverage it in your business. So tell us a little bit about how you leverage it in the business and why you felt that had an important role to play in employee experience.
I think from an employee experience, Varun, I think we get requests and tickets from everybody in many different ways. I mean, we use Slack, of course, to engage with our employees. I think one of the critical aspects that understanding what the question is being asked, using natural language processing and pointing them to the right resource, that's a big help. That is definitely being like pointing to the right resource to get the resolution. I think the second win for us is people are used to automation, people are used to self-service, and the automation within Slack allows us use the bot to actually engage in that interaction, to kind of have that Q&A without actually having a IT resource behind the scenes. I think that's a huge win for us. And the third element of it is that not everything can be solved through automation. We all know that. I think one of the big helps for us is Astra, which is the Moveworks bot, actually routes the ticket to the right resource for resolution. So we are actually able to leverage the machine learning to point it to the right destination, and that has been a big help for us. I think those three are, I would say, have been very important in how we've been addressing our IT issues.
That's great. So as we think about the past year that we've partnered with you at Stitch Fix, how has Moveworks helped you in delivering this great employee service while staying extremely efficient at Stitch Fix?
I think the biggest story is that we serve 10,000 employees with 12 IT staff members providing the support. And the only way we are able to do that is through automation and leveraging technology. And Moveworks has played an important role in that. We are able to leverage Moveworks to solve day-to-day problems and the type of issues that are coming up that are repeatable and it can be easily solved. And that is, we are achieving over 35% first-time resolution through automation. And the only way we could do that was Moveworks. So Moveworks played a very important role in that success story.
That's fantastic. As you think about the journey forward, and we're partnering now for a year. We've partnered, and we're looking at a multi-year partnership ahead of us. As you think about some of the expanded capabilities that we're announcing today in our employee service platform, what role do you think that will play in the growth and the success story for Stitch Fix?
I think one of the success for us, as we in IT had leveraged Astra, which is our bot, to drive the employee experience on resolving IT issues, we had a lot of other departments, other parts of the business that are serving the employees that had reached out to us to see how we can expand that capability. So the enterprise answers actually is the answer for us. We now will be able to expand that to serve all our employee questions irrespective of the business unit. And we are looking forward to enterprise answers to play a big role in how we reach our employees.
That's great. The second big capability we're announcing today is the employee communications platform that will help you and your teams communicate at scale with employees, but in a manner that's hyper-targeted, personalized, and actionable. What kinds of problems do you think that will solve for you as we look at 2021, which is going to be a big year of recovery for America and the world overall?
I think one of the challenges for us is we are in various locations, various geographies, and everybody is working on different systems and different tools. I think one of the things we actually think the communications aspect of it will bring value for us is we're able to do that targeted communication to the people that are actually impacted. It's very easy for somebody to send an email about some kind of a disruption or an outage, and it becomes a noise for them. People forget. I think one of the things we're looking forward to on the communication side is the targeted communication. I think one of the use cases that our office operations team brought up was, as we look at how we are coming back into the facilities post-pandemic, how do we prepare ourselves? And one of the issues that they brought up was, like, how do we send the targeted message to the people that are in a specific facility so that they can take action? I mean, today we are faced with this problem. So as we have a limited staff that's already in our office, if there is a situation, COVID alert that we need to send across, how do we tell those people or inform those people with a targeted message? I think one of those use cases was like a classic one for us to implement through Moveworks, where we can have the targeted message to people in a specific facility at a specific time zone because they are active on that platform at that moment in time. I think the targeted messaging is a game changer for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for sharing that. And on top of that, you get pretty clear analytics on who's receiving it, whether they're engaging with these announcements or not. So I'm looking forward to you and your team using this expanded platform as you head into 2021, and we're very, very excited about supporting you.
Yeah, we are equally thankful. I think your product team has been very receptive to engaging with us to understand where our needs are and then trying to accommodate those capabilities. I think we definitely value the partnership and like a huge kudos to your team trying to evolve the platform continuously.
Thank you.